An Indo-Chinese tiger makes an appearance in the jungle that Prajan, the Bengalese tiger, and her children have suddenly abandoned. A darker color, a coat embellished with narrower stripes, and a smaller size characterize this species. His name will be Sua, a Thai word that means tiger. Without warning, an enemy pounces on Sua. The second tiger, Hang, is none other than the brother of the former. The two animals continue to play, unaware that they are just under the tree that Talun the gibbon has made the center of his kingdom